Most beginners think swimming is about moving faster, but that's why they sink, panic, and get tired in seconds. In the next few minutes, you'll learn how to float naturally, stay balanced without effort, breathe calmly, and swim faster than you ever thought possible, even if you're a complete beginner. If you're new to swimming and struggle to float, breathe, or move without getting tired, this video will change that. I'll show you the simple fundamentals that help beginners swim calmly, confidently, and faster, starting today. Imagine stepping into the water for the first time, and instead of fear, panic, or sinking legs, you feel calm, supported, and in control. Most beginners think swimming is about moving your arms harder or kicking faster, but the truth is very different. Swimming is not about fighting the water, it's about learning how to work with it.
In this complete beginner lesson, you're going to learn how to float naturally, stay balanced without effort, breathe without stress, and swim faster without exhausting yourself. These are the same fundamentals used by coaches worldwide, and once you understand them, swimming suddenly feels easy.
Let's start with floating, because everything begins here. Water wants to hold you up more than you realize. The biggest mistake beginners make is tension. When you tense your neck, shoulders, or core, your body becomes heavy and sinks. The moment you relax, the water supports you. Try this. Gently lie on the water. Stretch your body long and allow your lungs to fill with air. Air is your natural life jacket. When your lungs are full, your chest rises and your body floats. Don't fight the water. Let your head relax. Eyes looking slightly down or up depending on whether you're on your belly or back. Floating is not a skill of strength, it's a skill of trust. Once you trust the water, you unlock the foundation of swimming. Now comes balance, which is where many beginners struggle without realizing it. Balance in swimming is about body position, not power. If your head lifts even a little too much, your hips and legs drop. If your legs sink, swimming becomes exhausting. The secret is alignment. Imagine a straight line from the top of your head to your heels. Your head controls your body. When your head is neutral and relaxed, your hips rise automatically. You don't need to kick harder, you need to balance better. Think of your body as a seesaw. Press your chest gently into the water, keep your neck long, and allow your legs to float behind you. Suddenly, the water feels smoother, and movement becomes effortless.
Once floating and balance are under control, breathing becomes much easier. Many beginners panic while breathing because they try to hold air or lift their head too much. Swimming breathing is different from breathing on land. In the water, you breathe rhythmically. You exhale slowly while your face is in the water and inhale quickly when you turn your head. The key is constant exhalation. If you hold your breath, carbon dioxide builds up, creating panic and discomfort.
Instead, gently blow bubbles through your nose or mouth. When it's time to breathe, turn your head slightly to the side, keeping one eye in the water and one eye out. Your mouth finds the air naturally. No lifting, no straining, no gasping. As your breathing improves, something powerful happens. You relax, and relaxation leads to speed. This is one of the biggest surprises for beginners. Swimming faster does not mean moving faster. It means moving smarter. Speed in swimming comes from a long, streamlined body position. When your body is balanced and your breathing is calm, water resistance drops dramatically. Think about slicing through water like an arrow. Long body, small movements, smooth rhythm. Every kick and pull should help you move forward, not push water downward or sideways. Another important concept beginners often miss is timing. Swimming is a coordinated movement. Your arms, legs, and breathing work together. When one part is rushed, everything falls apart. Slow things down. Focus on control. A slower, more controlled stroke is almost always faster than a rushed, sloppy one. Let your hand enter the water smoothly. Stretch forward, then pull with purpose. Keep your kick light and steady, not wild or frantic. Efficiency beats effort every time. Confidence grows quickly once these basics come together. You'll notice that you can swim longer distances without getting tired. Your breathing feels steady, your body stays near the surface. This is not luck, it's technique. And the best part is that these skills build on each other. Better floating improves balance. Better balance improves breathing. Better breathing improves speed. Everything is connected. It's also important to understand that progress in swimming is not linear. Some days will feel amazing, others frustrating. That's normal. Even experienced swimmers have off days. The key is consistency and patience. Spend time feeling the water. Pay attention to your body position. Celebrate small improvements, like floating longer, breathing calmly, or swimming one extra length without stopping. These small wins add up faster than you think. If you ever feel stuck, return to the basics. Floating and balance are always the answer. The moment swimming feels hard, something fundamental has slipped. Relax your neck. Lengthen your body. Exhale slowly. Trust the water again. Swimming is not about conquering the pool. It's about harmony. As you continue practicing, you'll discover that swimming is not just a physical skill, but a mental one too. Calm mind equals calm body. Calm body equals smooth movement. Smooth movement equals speed. This is why swimming is often described as meditative. When everything clicks, it feels effortless, almost weightless. By mastering floating, balance, breathing, and body position, you're not just learning how to swim, you're learning how to swim well. These fundamentals apply whether you're in a pool, lake, or ocean. They protect you from panic, reduce fatigue, and make swimming enjoyable rather than exhausting. Remember, every strong swimmer started exactly where you are now. The difference is not talent, it's understanding. And now you have that understanding. Keep practicing, stay relaxed, trust the water, and let your technique do the work. Swimming doesn't have to be hard. When done right, it's one of the most natural movements your body can perform. Now you know the fundamentals that make swimming feel easy. Practice them, stay relaxed, and trust the water. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next lesson.